My name is Dana Jean Antonelli. I'll be your etiquette trainer for this evening. How many of you have taken a dining etiquette course or anything etiquette related? Okay, perfect. And the rest of you have not, so you're in for a treat. So we're gonna start with how to sit down. So the way you enter your seat is through the right side of your chair, and then you will enter from your left. Let's talk about glassware, anything stemless. You just wanna hold your fingers up like these and put them together and hold it on the very bottom. So for a wine glass, pinch index finger and thumb finger on the very bottom, like that. If you need to use the restroom, just say, excuse me. You don't need to make a whole thing about it. Get up and say, excuse me, and place your napkin on your chair. Balance your fork and your knife on your index finger. Lock it in with your thumb and you twist it. Discards should always go on the top left. On the bottom right, that's where your sauces go. Ketchup, sweet and sour sauce, butter, salt, and pepper. You always want to pass as a pair. Yep. So even if someone is just asking for salt, you bring it together. You don't want to take your piece of bread and smother butter all over it. You just take your fork and just cut a small piece. The way you want to have your fork and your knife on your plate when you're taking a break, pretend it's like an inverted V. So just like this. Desserts here, it's really easy. So you just cut your cake like this, and you have your fork to support it. And that's it. Thank you all so much for coming. Hey.